starting now to elaborate a video to catch and to record the speed in our athletes. So we looking for our folder and we click to open the video. You remember this window asks us what kind of frame we record in the video. Normally the set frame is 30 frames per second. We must to record what kind of frame we use in our video. Otherwise we must to check if the video is correctly recording 30 frames per second. You see that it's possible to hear the noise of the video, so it's correctly recorded for 30 frames per second. So you leave the frame like the video program give you. You open your tools panel and we started to work to analyzing time. Of course, this exercise is very easy, or is better to analyze and to record with more precise way if you use another set frame in our video camera. Instead to use 30 frames per second, we can use a video camera for slow motion, so 300 frames or 200 frames per second. In this way we have a more division in 1 second. We have 300 or 200 and is more precise the registration of the time of our performance, of the performance of our athletes. We go ahead and we decide in which moment we want to start to analyze the time. We have two options. One is the first contact overcome the line of the start. That could be this one. Okay, personally I prefer to use another setting in my time analysis. I start with my time analysis when the last part of the body overcome the start line. So in this moment, for instance, or you can decide to start with the registration of the video when the center of gravity overcome the line, the start line. So we decide this kind of option. With this last option, you see that our center of gravity is in the line, start line. In this moment is overcome, so we put the chronometer here and we can personalize, giving another name, for instance first test. We decide what kind of window or what kind of design we can give to our chronometer information. We go ahead and you see that the chronometer is seeing the time, and we use the same system to stop the watch. So when our athletes overcome the finish line, okay, so we know that this line, okay, this is what's happened. So the test finish here. We open, I will show you another time. We go in the area of the object that is in the video, right side, sorry, of the mouse, right button of the mouse. EU says you open this menu. EU says and while the correct video, and you stop it at the time. Then the time frame become red, means that you have stopped it and now is finished. So you can use another, or you can have another tools to analyze time, speed, velocity of your athletes. For instance, is this one. When you start with the 0, okay, you go here, estimated speed, you set 10 meters because we know that the exercise is 10 meters, or you can put another the same measurement in centimeters, but you says 10 meter. This is the time that indicate the first point of passage. Okay, you see it's the 3.036, z.036. We go ahead to the end of the test. Okay, when we stop the chronometer and the chronometer become red. Okay, in this moment we enter the second time. Okay, and we have instantly the speed, meter per second and kilometer per hour. We decide to insert this in the video, as you will see in another tutorial video. You remember that any new object that we insert in the video will be inserted in this area of the video. We move because we can move. You see that it's possible to move, so we put it in another place in which it's possible for us to read, to record in an easy way. We can change our estimation time, acceleration we haven't, we don't record it. So in this way we can increase font, and we can increase the highness of the font. We says okay, this is bigger. We have another opportunity. You know that it's possible to define a break for the text. For instance, we can decide that in this moment we stop it for 2 seconds or for 5 seconds the video. So we decide 2 seconds and we says okay. We go ahead. You see that isn't stopped. Okay, but we finish our video, we record our video. In this way we see what's happened. We started to record the video here. Okay, this time it's the export processed video 5.005 is in the end of time of the video. We can decide what kind of video, what kind of deceleration we want. We want to reduce video acceleration. We reduce for 1/8. Okay, so we slow down. We says okay. We leave the name, or this way it's easy for us to, or we change. Okay, change the name and we call run fast test, and we say okay, we can save. Now you see that the video is saved with the high time that we desire. So you see that we reduce also the speed of the video in this way. Just some minutes to stop the video and to see the video with the elaboration. You see that it's very easy to catch the time. Is more precision than photocell because we can decide what kind of body we want to analyze as a speed. So we can decide in this way, in a very precise way, any moment of the movement of our athletes in a very precise way, because camera is a chronometer set. According to the set of the camera, we have in 1 second or 30 frame or 100 frame or 200 frame or 300 frame. In some video camera we can have also 10,000 frames. So it's a huge frame data. Of course we use normally 300 frames per second. It's enough for us to have a very precision estimation of time. Is I think one of the most precise possibility we have in analyzing video data. It's huge information, very huge information, and very precise information. Athletes has nothing in the field. They are normally training without any instrument, without any obstacles. Okay, we can see now our video, though we don't want to share analysis. You will see the exact aspect in another tutorial video, in the next tutorial video, but now we are focused on to see our video. We says no, we close this and we go in the area in which in the folder in which we save our video. We open our video and you see that we have slowed down the video, we have a good quality, and now you can see the moment in which we stop it. Okay, you see that it stopped, but the bar continues, so the 2 seconds that we given as a stopping in that moment is saved for us. Remember that when we had slow motion, we don't increase the number of the frame or the new frame, but we copy and paste the frame, the existing frame. So the existing frame are copy and paste. In this way we increase the number of the frame in the same time of the video. We reduce or we increase in this way the speed. You see that here the normal speed, and you see here with the speed decrease by the software use, but we have no more frame here. We have the same 30 frames per second, but in any section of second, any 30 frame, any one of 30 frame are copied and pasted in this way for 80 times in this way. And we obtain a slow motion, an artificial slow motion video, not a true slow motion video. So thank you for your attention. Hearing you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.